Citi Advantage Executive World Elite Mastercard Review 2024. Is it worth it? Most people get premium travel credit cards wrong by focusing only on sign-up bonuses. The Citi Advantage Executive World Elite Mastercard is designed for frequent flyers, but is it really worth it in 2024? This card offers a generous sign-up bonus, often tens of thousands of Advantage miles after meeting the spending requirement. The surprising truth is the long-term value. Cardholders earn 2 miles per dollar on American Airlines purchases and 1 mile on everything else, which adds up quickly if you fly regularly. Another big perk is the Admirals Club lounge access. You won't believe what happens next when you can relax in airport lounges across the US and internationally without paying extra fees. This is a huge benefit for frequent travelers who value comfort and productivity during layovers. Other features include free checked bags for you and companions, priority boarding, and no foreign transaction fees. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the savings on baggage and lounge access. They can easily offset the annual fee if you fly often. However, there are downsides. The annual fee is high, which may not make sense for casual travelers. Also, rewards outside American Airlines are modest compared to other travel cards. In conclusion, the Citi Advantage Executive World Elite Mastercard is worth it if you fly American Airlines multiple times a year and value lounge access and travel perks. For occasional travelers, the high annual fee may outweigh the benefits. If you maximize its rewards and privileges, this card can provide significant value in 2024.